Now let us move on to S4 of block 4. Now tell me, what happens when you touch a very hot object by mistake? And when an object approaches near the eyes? And when someone tapped the knees? Yes, our body responds to certain actions without thinking. For example, when a hot object is touched by a hand is withdrawn quickly. When an object approaches near the eyes, blinking. Bone of the knee is tapped, the knee is jerked. These actions are called reflex actions. So in today's lesson, let us learn more about reflex actions. Today's aim is explain the process involved in a reflex action. Let us learn some key words. The first word, reflex action. REFLEX, reflex. ACTION, action, reflex action. Next word, spinal cord. SPINAL, spinal. CORD, cord, spinal cord. Let us frame a sentence using these words. Spinal cord controls the reflex actions in our body. Now, I want all of you to open S4 of block 4, reflex action. Observe the diagram and write in your notebook what did you understand from this diagram. Now open your content book and read about reflex action. Now pause the video, read the content and come back. Hope you're done with the activity, children. Now tell me, how does a reflex action happen? To answer for this question, let us watch this video.
When a person accidentally touches a hot object, a pain-sensitive receptor cell in his fingertip detects the heat stimulus and triggers off the nerve impulse. From here, the impulse travels along a sensory nerve to the spinal cord. The message is processed and the response is generated in the spinal cord itself. Then, this response travels down through a motor nerve to the muscles of the arm. The muscles of the arm receive the response and his arm muscles contract, lifting the person's finger away from the hot object.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Now answer me. What is reflex action? Good. Reflex actions are fast and automatic responses controlled by the spinal cord. Then tell me, what is the role of spinal cord in reflex actions and why is it so important? We know that the nerves form a bundle which runs through the middle of our back. It is called spinal cord. And it connects the nerves from all organs of the body to the brain. It is covered and protected by the backbone. It controls the reflex actions in our body. So, we need to protect our spinal cord as all the nerves are found in it. If any nerve gets damaged, the part of the body will not function properly. So, we need to take care of the spinal cord. Now tell me, what are some examples of reflex actions? Some examples of reflex actions are blinking of eye, feeling pain when we get pricked by something, formation of saliva on seeing tasty food, are all the examples of reflex actions. Now think and tell me, why are reflex actions much faster than the other actions like picking up a glass to drink water? Good. The reflex actions happen fast as the command is given by the spinal cord. This saves the time needed for the message to reach the brain. This helps to reduce harm to the body. So children, in today's class, we learnt about reflex actions and how to explain the process involved in a reflex action. Hope you understood. Now, let us move on to the workbook part. Please open S4 of Block 4 Reflex Action. Read the questions, observe the diagram, and try to answer for all the questions. Hope you enjoyed today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.